How does Python connect to NoSQL databases for apps? Imagine building an app that can handle all kinds of data without worrying about rigid structures. That's where NoSQL databases shine, and Python makes connecting to them simple and effective. Let's explore how you can link Python to these databases and make your applications more flexible. First, to connect Python to a NoSQL database like MongoDB, you need a special library called a driver. For MongoDB, the most common driver is called PyMongo. You install it easily using Python's package manager, pip, by typing Python pip install PyMongo. Once installed, you import the Mongo client class from the PyMongo library into your Python script. This class is what allows your program to talk to the database server. Next, you create a client object by calling Mongo client and passing in the connection string. If you don't specify anything, it connects to the default local server on your computer at port 2717. If your database is hosted elsewhere, you just change the connection string to include the server's address and port. After establishing the connection, you choose the database you want to work with by name. For example, if your database is called MyDatabase, you access it with client MyDatabase. Then you pick a collection within that database, which is similar to a table in a traditional database, by calling DB users. From there, you can perform all sorts of data operations. You can insert new documents, which are like records, using insert one. To find data, you use find, with filters, such as searching for a user named Alice. Updating and deleting documents follow similar patterns, making data management straightforward. This approach works for many NoSQL databases, although the specific libraries and connection methods differ. For example, Redis and Cassandra each have their own Python clients that follow similar steps. Install the library, create a connection object, select your database or keyspace, and perform data operations. Using Python with NoSQL databases is a powerful way to build apps that can handle unstructured or semi-structured data. Python's simple syntax and the rich ecosystem of database drivers make it easy to integrate these databases into your projects. For example, connecting to MongoDB with PyMongo involves installing the library, creating a client, selecting your database and collection, and then performing create, read, update, or delete operations. This process allows your application to store and retrieve data efficiently, no matter how flexible or complex your data structure is. In short, Python connects to NoSQL databases through dedicated libraries that manage all the communication details. This setup lets you focus on building your app, knowing that your data handling is reliable and adaptable.